Listen carefully to the story. The title is The Brave Little Squirrel. One autumn afternoon, Sam was walking through the park. He noticed a small squirrel gathering acorns under a tall tree. Suddenly, dark clouds rolled in, and the wind began to blow. The squirrel tried to carry its nuts to a hole in the tree, but the rain started pouring down. The wind pushed the acorns across the grass. The squirrel ran quickly, chasing them one by one. Sam watched in amazement as the little animal refused to give up. At last, the squirrel gathered the last acorn and tucked it safely into its hole. Soaked but proud, it shook its fluffy tail as if to say, "I did it." Sam smiled. "That tiny squirrel is braver than I thought," he whispered to himself. That was the story, The Brave Little Squirrel. Now get ready to answer the questions on your worksheet.